Hello guys and welcome back to the channel TechTab. So in today's video I'm going to show you what is MSConfig in Windows. So for that click on search and type MSConfig and open this system configuration app. Here you will see in general tab there is normal startup, diagnostic and selector. You can change it if you want. Normal startup is just like everyday BootUp process for Windows, and in diagnostic it will load basic drivers and services only for diagnostic purposes. I'm going to leave it on default and click on boot tab. On boot section you will see the OS installed on your PC. I have two different versions of Windows, both are listed as below, and you can also boot Windows in safe mode. Once again it is only for the diagnostic purposes. And now jump to the services tab. This shows all the services running on your PC, and one big thing is that you can hide all the Microsoft services. And you can also enable it all or disable it by using these options. And now click on startup tab. For this you have to open task manager. Click on here. Startup apps are those which run after your Windows boot up, and you can also disable it. To disable it you can just select it and click on disable or right click on it. Now moving back to the system configuration. Now click on tools. Here you will see different tools for different purposes, like security and maintenance. It will open security and maintenance settings for your PC. Like select and click on launch. Here you will see security and maintenance of the PC. You can also open any other thing you want, like task manager. Again click on it and select launch. That's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.